Hello, everyone. Look what I have here. Arrived on my doorstep earlier today, and it is Planners Anonymous, the subscription box for Chapter 8, Chasing the Sun. So I'm going to go ahead and dive right in. I'm so excited. I haven't looked at it yet. But I have opened the box, and thank goodness my box it's in decent shape. It's got a couple folds and stuff, but it's in decent shape. I love this box. It's so pretty. I can't wait to turn it into a like magazine holder that'll hold my kits. I'm so excited. Okay, so Chasing the Sun. Super excited. I can't believe it's already chapter 8. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this right here is the um, planner lover kit, and then this is the paper lover kit. And I get both. So we'll go ahead and look at these. Let's see. Ooh. By the way, these bags, I use them and I love them. I keep my kits in these. And this was a new addition to 2024 subscriptions. And love them. Love them. All right. So we have the sticker book, which I love. Sticker folder. And then some other goodies here. We have washi, notepads, a washi card here, lots of washi, and a journaling card, and that is Leilani. So pretty. All right, so excited. I love to receive the subscription on my doorstep every month. A little bit of happy mail, and it's always when I least expect it, which is really, really cool. Look at these. Beautiful. This one is has a sticky back. These are sticky notes, and then these ones are just regular notes. I love them. Gorgeous. And then we have our washi card, and then oh my gosh, look at this washi. Wow. And then more of a top view layout. What do they call it? Call it something. And then the swoosh. And then the ripped floral. This is amazing. I have to open it so that you can see what I'm talking about. We've grabbed some scissors. Okay. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Love it. And then we have a skinny washi. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's look at these stickers. Goodness. Look at this folder. So you could keep the folder and store your stickers in here, or you can repurpose it. This is a really, really, really nice cardstock. I absolutely love it. Got the chapter number right there for easy organization. I love this. Love, love. Okay, let's look at these. So these are the decoration stickers. Beautiful. The color is so good. We've got some clear stickers. Oh, wow. Look at that. My parents are going to Maui next week, actually. So perfect for them. Oh, look at the airplane. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. I'm taking a trip too, so I will use that. Look at all this. So nice. Love these. They look like little washi strips. They're so cute. Ward Fetty. Love these colors. I love, love, love these colors. And here's a folding planner sticker. So cute. Some icons, some speech bubbles. Now this, can you see the color on this? So this is a full page sticker, so you can do whatever you want with it. And then come the 4 weeks. Wow. So you have this page, which has a full sidebar. It's not cut up. You can do whatever you want with it. And then your day covers, some icons, and some deco. And then a full page of deco to match that week. Oh my goodness. Ah, I was going to use chapter 3 for my deco for September, but this would be so perfect. But I'm gonna hold off. This would be perfect for my trip that I'm taking back home to El Paso. Okay, here's another week, and then the deco that matches it. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous colors. Wow. Here's another week and the deco. How awesome is this? Hey. Oh no, it doesn't go together. I was like, ooh, these two stickers at the bottom and the center go together, but they don't. Okay, wow. And then the 4th week. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. These are on white sticker paper. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then another full sheet of sticker paper. So that are the stickers. Look at that. Beautiful. All coordinating. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited to see what the papers look like because this is already so good. Okay, let's go to the paper lover. And here we are. It comes in this large letter size zip pouch. Love it. Love, love. Okay, and we have, ooh, oh my goodness. Sorry, I could already see the colors. So pretty. Okay, we're going to take everything out of the plastic and then we will dive right in. These are the journaling cards, and they are just such good quality. They're nice, beautiful cardstock. We'll go through them right now in just a second. Then we have a stamp set, a full stamp set. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like this stamp. It says day off. How appropriate is that? Let's go ahead and look at the stamps. So every stamp has the chapter number so that at the end of the year you'll have a full set of numbers. Look at this rolling suitcase. How cute. Vacay day, island time, and these beautiful, beautiful florals, some footsteps and a heart, and then some icons. And there's an airplane there too, a suitcase. Oh, paper airplane, and then a car. Is that a bikini? Yeah, a bikini. I can't see too well, but those are headphones and then a cup. What is this? I think it's just a wave. Um, anyway, beautiful. Love it. We'll use it. Absolutely. 100%. Then we have the die cut stickers and then another copy of the journaling card. I love this because um, they're just more stickers. They're die cut stickers, but so are your stickers, right? In the sticker folder. But oh my goodness, look at this. Gorgeous. I mean, look at the graphic. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the windows out of the airplane. Some ocean scenes. What is this? Oh, a luggage tag. How cute. I'm not going to go through all of them because there are so many little tiny pieces. Oh, look at this passport. That is so cute. Look at the passport. And then my son is actually leaving next week on a cruise. His junior high school friend is getting married, and my son is in the wedding, and the bachelor party is a 5-day cruise, which is kind of cool. And so that reminds me of this because he had to make sure to take his passport. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The jet ski. Very nice. Oh, the luggage. Okay. Lots and lots of beautiful, beautiful graphics. Look at the umbrella. Pretty. Now, what I do with these, just in case you haven't seen a previous video, is I end up taking off the backing off all these stickers and I put it on sticker release paper, the same size as the sticker sheets that are in here. And then they just go organized with all my stickers so I can see them all so they're not on top of each other like this. So I like organizing them that way. All right, and then we have the paper pack. And your paper pack comes with 2 of each decorative paper, and then it also comes with vellum and acetate. So you can do so much with them. They go a long way. All right, so here's the first patterned paper, and then the back looks like this. It's just more of a solid. It's got a pattern, but it's more of just a one color. Beautiful. And you get 2 sheets, so you can use them together to coordinate. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is just gorgeous. And the color is beautiful. And then we have more of a blue. Look at that coral. Wow. That beautiful graphics. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. So you can use these as TN covers. You can use them to make greeting cards, decorate your planner. I mean, just so many things. Scrapbooking. Beautiful. Flat lay. That's what I meant to say. Okay, the other colors on this side. Oh my gosh, this is the vellum. You get 2 sheets, and this time it is vertical. Sometimes it's horizontal, sometimes vertical. But look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then the acetate, you get 2 sheets, and this is white. And it's got these beautiful, what are they called? I forgot. I used to know, and now I just forgot. Ah, so pretty. So those are the papers, the vellum, and the acetate. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And then these just go right back into the pouch. That's where I'll store them. So what I end up doing is I kind of mix things up. So I do store the paper in the large pouch. Let me go ahead and put that away. So I store the papers in the large pouch, and then in the smaller pouch, and actually the washi goes into a washi drawer where I have all my Planners Anonymous washi. So that will stay right there. And then in here will go the little notepads, the washi card, the stamp set. This ends up getting reorganized in a photo album book. I put the pages in there, and then these will end up going with that. And then the journaling cards. Oh, we didn't go through these. Let's go through them. Let's see. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. 5 and 6. Okay, so there's 6 journaling cards and they are double-sided. Wow. Gorgeous. And if you buy the creative kit for this chapter, you get all of these. Oh no, wait. No, they don't come in the creative kit. You can purchase them separately or download them separately if you're subscribed. And these can also be used as patterned paper, like this one specifically. I use often as patterned paper because it's a digital um, file of this pattern. So very, 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 very pretty. Love them. So those go in there. And then these two go stored away. Actually, you know what I do? I put this one in here and then I get stored away. So it's a little like filing system here. I absolutely love it. Love, love. Hope you love too. I will make sure to leave a link if you would like to subscribe to Planners Anonymous. This is so gorgeous, and I will see you really soon. Bye bye.